10 legit ways to make money online. And guess what? You can even use these strategies or these platforms to even make a passive income. So let me tell you number one. So number one is Upworks. Upworks is an insane platform that you can be able to basically, if you have a skill set, you can go on Upwork and be able to list your skill set and other people can be able to hire your services. So Upwork is a huge way to make an income online because you can go there, push your skill set on there, and now they have millions of people who's already on the platform. Now when somebody's looking for your services, they can hire you right from Upworks. Now, number two is YouTube. As we know, YouTube is huge. It has 1.6 billion people, guys. So we already know YouTube is a huge platform. If you can be able to showcase your talent, if you're good at something, if you have knowledge and expertise, post it on YouTube. By you posting on YouTube, YouTube's gonna share it to other people because as we know, YouTube is a global search engine. So if you post your videos on YouTube and you post whatever you know, like if you have a knowledge about something, post it on YouTube. If you have something you want to train people on, post it on YouTube because now guess what? Millions of people are going to be able to view your content. And by millions of people viewing your content, YouTube can pay you for AdSense. Or you can even have like a PDF or something free and have them buy later on for them to be able to get on your YouTube channel. So there's multiple ways to grow your YouTube channel and stuff, but there's so many trainings out there that you can take. Now, the third one is Amazon. As we know, Amazon, Jeff Bezos, the richest man in the world, he has an insane platform that allows people to make money from his platform. You can do Amazon FBA and it's huge, right? Amazon FBA is huge. You can sell products from your house on Amazon. There's so many ways you can do it. So now the fourth one, Amazon affiliate program. So as you're starting as an entrepreneur online, you just want to make some money. If you already have a platform, you can go on Amazon and find products that's within your niche. Amazon's gonna pay you a commission and it goes to like 5%. So you can go on Amazon and basically find those products and post it on your social media and tell people to click that link and go buy the product. And guess what? Now Amazon's gonna pay you a commission because you just refer some people to their platform. The fifth one, CLICKBANK. Oh my God, CLICKBANK is huge because guess what? They pay a higher commission than Amazon. So with CLICKBANK, they pay up to 90%. So basically what that means is that if you're selling a product and it's $100 online and they pay you 90%, you get $90. But Amazon only pay 5%, which is still fine because they have some really good products on there. CLICKBANKs are mostly digital products, which means that it's all online trainings and stuff like that. But they pay you a higher commission with that. So CLICKBANK is a huge way to be able to make a passive income online because when you know how to get the traffic to these funnels and stuff, you can use CLICKBANK to be able to just draw more traffic and get more people to buy that product. And the more people that buy that product, you just keep that ads running consistently and you'll be able to keep making more sales. So now Shopify is insane, guys. Shopify, you can create your online store. So they have other ones like WooCommerce and stuff like that, but I personally use Shopify too for my online stores and it's huge. I have a training on Shopify, and if you guys are tuning in and you want to get that training, click down below. You'll be able to register for a call with me and my team, and we'll get you that training on Shopify. Shopify is huge, guys. It's the first way I actually made $1 million online was using Shopify to be able to sell products online. Basically how it works is that most people have a retail location, right? Where they sell those products at the retail location. Shopify, you don't have to pay $2,000 for a month for a building. You don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is just get a quick online store and you can get products that are already proven to sell from a wholesale vendor like AliExpress, Alibaba. If you go to AliExpress, Alibaba, and you post those products on your Shopify store, now all you need to do is learn how to draw the traffic to your online store. And once you draw the traffic to your online store, people will buy that product. And I have so many strategies behind that. So if you guys want to learn how to use Shopify, click the link down below and I'll show you how to use Shopify. And if you guys are learning a lot in this quick training right now, I want you guys to comment down below and make sure you subscribe to my channel too. So now let's go to number 7, Fiverr. Fiverr is a huge way to make a passive income online, guys. With Fiverr, you can be able to showcase your talent just like Upworks. But Fiverr, I use them for logos. So if you're a designer, use Fiverr, because a lot of people go on Fiverr to look for a lot of designers, and there's a whole bunch of skill sets. They have an archive. You can just upload your skill sets and people can book you and they can pay you. And a lot of people's on the platform. So if you have a service for like $5 or even $100 or even $1,000 and you post it on that platform, guess what? There's so many people are gonna buy from you because there's millions of people on that platform looking for your services. Now is you just need to post your services on that platform and people are gonna buy that service. So now, number 8, CRAIGSLIST. As we all know, CRAIGSLIST is a huge way to make money online, right? So CRAIGSLIST is huge. CRAIGSLIST, you can sell stuff that you already have at home. If you already have some stuff at home, sell it on CRAIGSLIST because you can start making money right away. You have your old cameras that you haven't used in a long time, use CRAIGSLIST. You have your laptops that you haven't used in a long time, use CRAIGSLIST because people in your location can come and buy that product right from your house, or they can meet up with you and buy it right there from you. So CRAIGSLIST is insane. I made a lot of money using CRAIGSLIST when I was in like middle school and high school. So you want to use CRAIGSLIST when you're really trying to if you have a lot of stuff around, use CRAIGSLIST to get rid of those stuff because there's other people out there that want to buy that product, and that's how you can start making some money online. So now, number 9, email marketing. Oh my God. So like I told you guys in number 6, Shopify. So when I was doing Shopify, I learned how to do email marketing too. Email marketing is huge, guys. It's huge because when you learn how to conduct, it's all about your messaging. When you learn how to send your proper messaging to your audience, people are gonna buy from you. So what you wanna do with email marketing, you wanna be able to get an email list, then you wanna mass market to that email list. When you can mass market to that email list about something you're selling and you really serve them by adding value to your email list, they're gonna buy from you over and over again. And email marketing isn't going anywhere. I know a lot of people are like, oh my God, the email marketing click is going down. Nah, email marketing isn't going anywhere. It's still gonna be there. There's a huge way to make income online. We actually do at least 50,000 a month just from emails. Yeah, email marketing is that huge. And I know some guys who are even doing way more than that. But email marketing is a huge way to make an income online. Now, number 10, social media marketing. This got huge. They call it SMMA. Social media marketing is a huge way to make an income online, guys, because all you're doing is using social media to help other people who don't know how to use social media. So the best skill set to learn from social media marketing is Facebook ads. Yeah, Facebook ads. A lot of business owners don't know how to use Facebook ads. They still don't even know how to use social media. So if you learn how to do Facebook ads and learn how to do social media, you can go to other business owners and charge them for you doing their social media marketing for them. You can charge them from $1,000 up to $10,000. I even had a client pay me $20,000. Yeah. If you're really good at it, you can get these clients to pay you a lot of money just to run their Facebook ads for them, because Facebook ads is huge. There's 2 billion people on Facebook. So if you can learn how to use Facebook ads to be able to actually generate them customers, they're gonna be willing to pay you for that. So those are the 10 legit ways to make money and earn a passive income, because by the more you do those stuff, it becomes a passive income. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every single week I post content just like this. I actually do stuff daily too. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna post videos like this to help you, educate you on the online one so you can know how to really make some income online. And if you wanna learn personally from me, I have a training. Click down below and you can be able to register for my training and my e-commerce training that showed you how I made my first $1 million online. So there's a video up here. I want you to click that video and watch one of my next videos.